Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and replace this throttle body on this Chevy Malibu. So if your car look like this, no matter if it's 2020 or lower, it's gonna be the same procedure of me replacing the throttle body. So you want to go ahead and get a flathead screwdriver. Your car might have the engine cover, this car doesn't have it on it, but if you have it on it, there's no need to take it off. You can do it with it on or off. Go ahead and replace pull this out with a flathead screwdriver. Pull it all the way out like that. Then you want to lift up on this right here. You can push this back in, you can move it to the side or wherever you want to do with it. The next step is to come right here and get this plug right here. Pull back that and push down on it also and pull back on the plug. The plug will come loose as well. Now you're gonna have some 10mm right there, so that's 10mm for 10mm. That's what's going to hold the throttle body on the car, and we're going to go ahead and remove those 10mm bolt. So once we get our 10mm, go ahead, remove 1, 2, 3 and 4, and that will come. You can take it off just like that. And that's how you're gonna remove your throttle body. This is your throttle body. If you give a code for P100, you can remove it and clean it. That's the best way to clean it, as well as you can clean it on the car. But today we remove it. There's a lot of oil in there, so we're gonna clean it. So guys, we want to get our throttle body, put it back. Make sure you put it where the plug is down, where it goes back to the plug. And then you wanna get your 10mm. And then get your 10mm. and tighten it up. Don't over tighten it. If you don't have the torque spec, do not over tighten it. Just tighten it a little bit, and that's it. You can go ahead and lock this back in, and then you can go ahead and clear whatever code you got. Or if your throttle body is bad, then you just go ahead and change that and clear whatever code you guys have. Even though with the code still there, it will crank right up without a problem, as it do right here. Just gonna go ahead and clear the code. So we just clear our code. There's no more check engine light, and that's it for this one, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and drive it, make sure the light doesn't come back on, and that's it for this one. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time. So that solved the problem. Look at this. People just don't know how to drive. So that solved the problem, guys, with the code P10011 or something like that, whatever that code was. And it would normally come back on already. The check engine light would normally come back on already, but since I cleaned the throttle body, actually I didn't clean it, I replaced it from another car, but you can go ahead and clean it to make that will help first. Alright guys, so that's it. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.